Yeah, yet another tropical storm. We are in the middle of the monsoon. This is now the exact reason why I have ordered auto-rated batteries. The rain is subsiding. The thunderstorm took around 40-45 minutes, and by my classification it would have been a 9 out of 10. Let's check the equipment in the Powerwall. And here you can maybe see, so we have water drops in the front. Only it goes up maybe about 20 centimeters. That is about the edge of the inverter there. But to the back everything is nice, and then of course to the up where all the electronics would be, everything is nice and dry. Breakers also perfectly dry. Yeah, that's why I wanted to have the auto-rated equipment. And I think it is better to have this open front, so that at the end this will then dry out also very quickly. But the most important change here at the Powerwall was definitely the elongated roof. So these extra, I think 25 centimeters which I've added, they keep everything dry. So this is no problem for IP54. And here in the tropics we have to expect that the rain is coming from every direction. The winds and the storms are always pretty strong as well, and they will always blow some drops to the equipment. So how much water did fall in these 40 minutes? Yeah, around 35 millimeters. That is quite a substantial rainfall event. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I see you at the next one.